2 to 4 liters of food and liquids, a number of things happen. Food is mechanically broken apart by the contracting, churning movements of the stomach's muscular walls. The chemical breakdown of food is initiated by the hormone gastrin, which stimulates the secretion of hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen from glands lining the walls of the stomach. Pepsinogen is an inactive form of the protein-digesting enzyme pepsin. Pepsin must be secreted in the inactive pepsinogen form in order to prevent it from digesting the cells that produce it. It is the highly acidic conditions in the stomach created by the release of hydrochloric acid that converts pepsinogen into pepsin. Once pepsinogen is converted into pepsin, it breaks proteins down into shorter amino acid chains called peptides. So the stomach itself isn't digested by hydrochloric acid and pepsin. Cells lining the stomach produce a very thick mucus that coats the stomach. However, the protection is not perfect, and cells lining the stomach must nonetheless be replaced every few days due to damage. The result of mechanical and chemical processes in the stomach is a thick acidic liquid called chyme, consisting of partially digested food and digestive secretions. Peristaltic waves, occurring at about 20-second intervals, propel the chyme toward the small intestine. A circular ring of muscle, called the pyloric sphincter, at the base of the stomach, allows only about a teaspoon of chyme to be released into the small intestine with each wave. Depending on the size of the meal, it takes 2 to 6 hours to empty the stomach into the small intestine.
'Salivary amylase begins the breakdown of starch to maltose. Salivary amylase is inactivated by stomach acid. Pancreatic amylase completes the breakdown of starch to maltose in the small intestine. Small intestinal enzymes catalyze reactions, breaking disaccharides into monosaccharides. Sugars and starches are digested and absorbed before entering the large intestine. Fiber resists digestion and is too large to be absorbed as is. Most fiber is secreted in the feces.
คือนะครับก็พอให้เป็นไอเดียนะครับว่าในส่วนของการทำงานต่างๆของDigestive System นะครับซึ่งเดี๋ยวเราจะไปเรียนอีกทีนึงในส่วนของตัวฟิสิโอนะครับก็จะพูดตรงนี้ละเอียดก็พอให้ดูเป็นไอเดียนะครับแล้วก็จะได้รู้ว่าการทำงานตรงนี้ก็สัมพันธ์เกี่ยวกับโครงสร้าง Histology เช่นกันนะครับมีอะไรสงสัยไหมถ้าไม่มีเดี๋ยวบ่ายนะครับเราก็จะมาต่อแลบในพาร์ทที่2นะครับก็ไม่เยอะนะครับคือส่วนตัวรูเมนเทคนิครับมาสร้างแกสโตอิโซเทียลแล้วก็ตัวโซแบกเท่านั้นนะครับโอเคครับเจอกันตอนบ่าย